Social media really changed my life. I'm not talking about the financial aspect of it, but it is also a part of it. That was in the year 2021 when I discovered YouTube's social media platform. But before then, I was so ignorant about social media. I literally know nothing about social media. I literally know nothing about the potential of social media platforms. Could you imagine? What I was thinking then is that the videos we watch on YouTube were created by the YouTube platform itself. Like the company being YouTube will now have to pay video makers or video creators to create this video for them. And then after creating this video for them, they will bring it back to the company. And then the company will now upload the video by themselves onto the YouTube social media platform. Not knowing that the videos I have been watching on YouTube for over a decade were being published by people like you and I. And some of them were doing it from the comfort of their home, and they were making serious money from it. Like, it was until 2021, February to be precise, that was when I discovered that YouTube videos that I've been watching for more than 10 years were being created and published by people like you and I. I said, damn, I've been so dumb all these years. That was when I started making YouTube content. That was how my journey of taking advantage of social media platforms started. It started from YouTube in the year 2021, February. I will never forget. So, after some time of taking advantage of YouTube, I came to YouTube with a very woke mentality then of just creating video and publishing and making money from it. That's all. Not knowing that you being a YouTube content creator, you taking advantage of YouTube social media platform automatically gives you a career path. Yes, it gives you a career path to tread on. If you watch a video I made quite some time, I'll drop the video link in this video description below, where I said that content creation is not a salary job. It was after some years I discovered that this thing I'm doing, this is a career. Like, this thing is more like a celebrity-driven kind of hustle. So this was the opportunity the YouTube social media platform gave me. It gave me an opportunity of treading a career path, because I'm this type of person that I seriously hate 9 to 5. Working for somebody. And sometimes when you work for people, they underpay you. I've done some 9 to 5 job in this country, like, man, they didn't pay off well at all. So I have to stop. I discovered YouTube. I took it serious. It changed my life seriously. One, it taught me the art of focus. I have to learn how to stay focused, how to stay consistent. Because being a creator for the YouTube social media platform, you always have to show up. So you must stay focused. You must be a disciplined person. Social media made me to be a very disciplined person, a very focused person, a very serious-minded person. I have to stay focused. I took emotion out of the game. Even my downtime days, I don't care. I still show up. So social media helped me build discipline. I became very disciplined with what I do, and I have a career path I'm treading on, and I kept pushing. Social media also made me to understand that in life, you have to stay consistent in anything you are doing if you really want to get results. You don't have to be jumping from pillar to post. You see how social media started helping me, shaping my life. YouTube also helped me to cut off from some friends that were not really helping me in any way. Friends that were not really, imparting into my life in some ways or the other. What are you, Daniel? I'm at home. What are you doing? I'm making content. For what? For YouTube. So you see now, YouTube have already grabbed me away from the hands of some unvaluable friends, some unproductive friends. Focus. Before discovering YouTube, I was this very unfocused person. Like, if I start something, before I stop it, I jump to another project. If I start this particular project, before I stop it, I jump to another project. But as at the time I decided to start treading on the path of being a YouTube content creator, I became very focused and disciplined. My level of discipline, boom. My level of focus, boom. My level of consistency, boom. My level of seriousness, boom. And YouTube social media platform also taught me perseverance. Yes, it taught me perseverance in the sense that I became a very patient dog. It took me about 8 months to monetize this YouTube channel you are watching. 8 months of hard work. Along the line, I got demonetized. But I didn't give up. It gave me strength. Social media taught me strength. ability to stay patient even when things seems not to be working. So you see how social media have managed to shape my life? That's why when I see people using social media for fun, I get so much pissed off. Because this you're using for fun can really change your life if you know how to make good use of it. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Social media shaped my life. It taught me the art of focus, it taught me the art of discipline, it taught me the art of perseverance, being patient. It taught me the art of not giving up on time. I hardly give up on anything I'm doing. All thanks to social media, especially YouTube. And I got monetized. It didn't stop there. At first, what I was thinking is that, let me just do this thing, get monetized, then as I keep putting video, I keep making money, and that's it. I start living my regular life. Not knowing that me becoming a YouTube social media platform content creator is going to lock me in to a particular kind of lifestyle, which is a very disciplined lifestyle. I hardly go out. Instead I'm making content, I'm making research, or I'm thinking of how to, structure my life on this social media platform. So same advice goes to you. If you want to better your life, if you want to be a very dedicated person, social media helped me to become a very dedicated and accountable person. Okay, it came to a time where I now have to understand that if you really want to go viral, if you really want to succeed on social media platform, you must be a consistent person. You must stay consistent at anything you are doing. You barely hang out. You only hang out for reasonable notes. You see where it's not taking me to? For you not to stay consistent, that's automatically you are picking a career path. I have to stay consistent on this thing because it became very demanding. Consistency, always showing up. It now taught me the art of daily input, compound interest. A little drop of water makes up an ocean. As I decided to become a YouTube content creator on the YouTube social media platform, the demand it brought before my table was the demand of showing up every day, was the demand of daily input, was the demand of always showing up. I know what it means. Before you can always show up, you have to stay dedicated. You have to sign up. Like, I signed up for YouTube. Like, seriously, for like straight 2 years, I signed up. Till now, I'm still locked in. Still doing it. Now, I've even spread my tentacles down to Facebook. You can go and check me out on Facebook. Daniel Anthony. I'm hot in there right now. So this is how social media really helped to shape my life. Like, discipline. Now I have a career path I'm trading on. People now regard me. People now respect me. People now believe that, okay, he's not a serious-minded person. Man, I hate it when I see people playing on social media platform. It pisses me off. Especially if this person is somebody I even know that this person is a very unserious human being. Social media platform that is even supposed to help you reshape your life, you are still coming there to be a very unserious human being. Let's talk about finance. Let me close it with that. I've made thousands of dollars from this YouTube channel you are watching. Now I'm trying to monetize my Facebook account so that I can also be making money from there. I've made money from freelance services with the help of social media, with the help of creating and publishing content on YouTube social media platform. Yeah, so many clients have reached out to me. Daniel, can you do this for me? Daniel, can you edit this video for me? Daniel, can you mentor me on how to start my own YouTube journey as well? I charge money. And they paid. I said, wow, this thing works? So I can make money from this thing? I got monetized. I started earning. This YouTube channel you're watching makes money every day. What? Are you serious? And you are joking with it? Hey, so sorry, oh, so sorry. So sorry. You know, and it also helped me understand the art of financial discipline. I don't spend carelessly because the business is demanding. You have to put in resources also. So you're now teaching me the CEO kind of lifestyle, how to run a business. It was after like 2 years I understood that this thing I'm doing is a business. So before I was thinking it's just for fun. Knowing that this is a very serious business. So they said that I'm now paying tax to my country government. I have to register as a taxpayer. Any revenue I earn, I pay tax to my federal government, not even my state government. Wow. You see the height YouTube social media platform have brought me? Same applies to Facebook. If you're a Facebook content creator, you also pay tax. So now, if I'm paying tax being a YouTube content creator and also paying tax being a Facebook content creator, that's a double edge. Automatically, I'll be a high valid citizen in my country. So you see where it's driving me towards, right? So you see how it have changed my life, right? Don't joke with it, oh. Don't joke with it. I won't beg you to take social media serious. I'll brutally advise you. Take it serious. It's not for a job. I'm not a motivational speaker. I'm not motivating you. I'm telling you something that can better your life. Something that bettered my life. Something that shaped my life. Everything is all about money. Discipline. If you're not disciplined, you find it difficult to make money. And even if you're making money, if you're not disciplined, you find it difficult to save and manage money. But taking advantage of social media platform taught me all of those things, because business at some point became very demanding. I have to bring back to the business. Subscribing for internet connectivity. Always being online. It costs money. You have to burn data. Staying at home to make this content, you have to eat food. You have to pay utility bills. So this business was giving me this money, so I was returning it back to the business. So you see how it managed to shape my life? How being a social media content creator shaped my life? I no longer roam around. I no longer hang out. I don't even have time for friends. It's me and my social media platform. It's either YouTube or Facebook. Finish. Even if I want to maybe hang out with friends, maybe I chat with them, I will hang out for a few hours, I'm out. You will never find me in a club. If you invite me to birthday parties, I won't come. If it's only on a special occasion. So it has really, really shaped my life, of the truth. So take it serious, don't joke. Is that Anthony? If what you've just watched is helpful, you find it very helpful, drop a comment in the comment section below saying, I want to start taking social media serious from today henceforth. I'm no longer using it for fun. So that I will know how to structure a pattern for you, because you need a pattern to succeed with it. It took me about 2 years to figure out my own pattern, because I learned the hard way. I didn't really have a mentor. Everything I was doing is gathering pieces of information. I learn, I come back, I experiment, and I implement. This was how I managed to grow to this level I am today. I know I'm not where I really want to be, but thank God I'm no longer where I used to be. Yeah, it's Daniel Anthony. I just have to leave you now. Start taking social media serious. No longer using it for fun. I love you, but for now, bye-bye and peace.